Today we're checking out the S&B Cold Air Intake Replacement Oiled Cleanable Cotton Air Filter for the 2013 to 2018 6.7 liter Ram 2500s. If your truck's S&B intake is overdue for service and you want your throttle response back, or you're tired of tossing paper filters, this drop-in filter keeps the system breathing just like it should, and it's definitely worth checking out. Right away, the big win in the features here is going to be the airflow and the easy maintenance. This is a washable, reusable, oiled cotton filter with very deep pleats. So it has a lot of surface area to pull in air while still catching that fine dust along the way. Clean it, re-oil it, and drop it right back in. No more buying throwaway elements. It's built as a direct replacement for the S&B intake that fits your Ram 2500, so the seal is tight and the readings stay happy when you oil it properly. Folks usually swap to a fresh filter like this when the old one is caked with dirt, fuel economy starts to dip, or they want to keep power consistent in those dusty conditions and they don't have the time to wash it out and oil it themselves. Day to day, a clean filter is going to help that throttle feel snappy and keep the intake track cleaner over time for a healthier engine. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a multi-layer cotton gauze wrapped in a very sturdy wire mesh with a molded base and a seal that's going to sit square inside that S&B box. These pleats are evenly spaced to keep the flow up and the restriction down. And the oil is going to help trap the really small particles that a dry filter might miss. The whole piece is made to handle those heat cycles under the hood without warping it all, and it drops in and out of place without fighting the housing. When it comes to the pricing on this, it's going to sit right in that $100 price range. For a reusable, oiled cotton filter that fits your S&B intake perfectly, it's a pretty solid value compared to buying disposable filters over and over or trying to match a different filter to a different box. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it's a simple filter swap, and you can have this done in just 10 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process works with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
So these are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need your replacement part, obviously, and then you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. I would see if I could find a little bit of a longer flathead screwdriver just because it is a little bit of a squeeze to the nut down there. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a replacement filter for your S&B cold take for your 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500 6.7 Cummins. I'm gonna use a step ladder because my truck's a little bit taller, but as you can see, this is the before. And you're gonna locate that flathead screw right down there, and you're just gonna twist off, loosen it up, and the filter should pop right off that tube and right out of that box. As you can see, we have an old versus new. So you can tell I was definitely in for a change. And out of the box, I would recommend tightening up this screw just a little bit so when you're trying to tighten it up, it's not slipping all around the collar. Makes the install a whole lot easier and a lot less frustrating. You want to make sure that this rounded part of the filter is facing upwards. That is the correct orientation. Drop it in there. Work it onto that little tube. Can be a little tricky sometimes, but that's what it should look like. Then you're gonna take your flathead screw, find that screw that tightens up the clamp, and you just start tightening it. Now you don't wanna get it too tight, you just wanna get it snug, but you can always go a little bit tighter if you feel like it's not gonna hold going down the road. But from my experience, just snug should be just fine. And that should be it. Now you have your brand new filter installed, and it's as simple as that.
All right, well that wraps up our review and install of the S&B Cold Air Intake Replacement Oiled Cleanable Cotton Air Filter for the 2013 to 2018 6.7 liter Ram 2500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.